Step-by-step guide to refrigerator installation. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to installing a refrigerator. Whether you are doing it yourself or supervising the process, this guide ensures your installation is done safely and correctly. Prepare your space and gather tools. Start by measuring your installation space, height, width, and depth, making sure there's enough clearance for the doors and ventilation. Clean the area and confirm that the floor is level. You'll need a few essential tools, including a level, adjustable wrench, measuring tape, packing tape, and a dolly or hand cart. Disconnect and remove old refrigerator. If you are replacing an old refrigerator, turn off the ice maker and water supply first. Unplug it, empty its contents, and remove shelves and drawers. Tape the doors shut to avoid accidents while moving it. Use a dolly and get assistance to safely remove and dispose of the unit. Move and position new refrigerator. After unpacking and checking for any damage, remove all internal materials and shelves. Always move the refrigerator in an upright position. If it must be laid on its side, keep it that way for less than 8 hours, and then let it sit upright for 24 hours before powering it on. Allow time to settle and connect water line. Let the fridge rest upright for 12 to 24 hours so internal oils settle. Then connect the water line using 1/4 inch tubing and compression fittings. Flush the tubing before final connection and leave a small coil of slack behind the unit for easy future movement. Connect power and level the refrigerator. Once it has settled, plug in the refrigerator. Carefully slide it into its final position, making sure cords and tubing aren't pinched. Use a level on top of the unit and adjust the legs using a wrench to ensure the appliance is perfectly level. Final setup. Clean the shelves and drawers before reinstalling them. Set your temperature controls, ideally between 3 and 5 degrees Celsius for the fridge, and -18 degrees for the freezer. Let the appliance cool completely before placing any food inside, and avoid opening the doors too frequently at first. Tips and warnings. Always refer to the refrigerator's user manual for model-specific instructions. Avoid over-tightening connections and never force the appliance into place. If you are unsure about any step, it's safer to consult a professional installer. Recommended tools checklist. Here is a quick recap of what you'll need: a level, wrench, measuring tape, dolly, packing tape, and floor protection like towels or cardboard. Having everything ready beforehand ensures a smooth installation. Summary. To recap, measure properly, leave clearance for ventilation, connect the water line correctly, and let the fridge settle before powering it up. Proper leveling and careful handling are key to performance and longevity. Need help? If you face any challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to your appliance retailer or the manufacturer's service team. Many offer professional installation services that save you time and hassle.